Hello everyone. It's so good to see you, even if it's not in person, but it's virtual. Another special reason is I made it to 94 years old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom, Oma, grandmother, great-grandmother. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, my dearest son. Can I give you a hug?
Sure. Give me a...
Thank you. That's so beautiful.
Here we are. Your 94th birthday. The last time that we had a cake was 4 years ago. You remember?
90, yeah.
And we had the cake because we were celebrating 35 episodes and 5 years of cooking with Oma and your 90th birthday.
That was a big celebration.
Can you believe it's been 4 years?
Yeah, time goes.
You basically retired from the show 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Except we did do one episode, this chicken schnitzel.
Yeah.
So, and as I had put on the channel a few weeks ago, that we have a very special announcement, right, Mom?
Yes.
Something we've been working on for quite a while. But oh, just a minute. The candles are going. You need to blow out the candles and make a wish.
And make a wish. Pretty good.
Okay, so as I was saying, we have this special announcement. And I asked a lot of you to comment in the comments what you thought it was. And of course, most of you guessed what it was. So, here, Mom, why don't you show them?
Here it is. The very exciting cookbook is out. Finally. And I am so happy. My son did such a wonderful job. I got my recipes in, and I hope you will enjoy it and try it, and I think you will like it.
So it's not just a cookbook of recipes. It is full of photos of Oma from when you were, I think the first one is when you were 3 years old.
Yeah, that's about
right up until a few months ago, a couple months ago, we took the final pictures. So it's kind of hard to show you, but just going to kind of flip through. There's the front cover, which is amazing. Back cover. And then it goes through, there's a little message from me, a message from Oma, and then we start with baking, and then it goes through all the baking recipes, the birthday cake. Beautiful photos of, look at these photos of Oma when she was young. And all the way through, then there's soups and the salads, entrees. So, but before I give you the details of the book, I just wanted to, there were a couple of comments that, first of all, again, the comments keep coming in on Oma's recipes, and they are incredible, right, Mom?
Yes, very touching, very emotional, some of them.
Yeah, and just how Oma has touched so many of your lives and reminded you of your mother or your grandmother, but in the comments for people guessing what the announcement was going to be, I just have to read you two of them because they were quite something and they made me laugh. So the first one was parachute jumping and landing with her new cookbook in hand. So that one really made me laugh. Now, Mom, would you ever jump out of a plane in a parachute?
I don't think so. But you never know. In my old age, who knows?
Okay, I'm shocked.
I loved it. I loved that comment.
I actually thought you would say there is no way. You don't even like going up in a plane, flying.
No, but a lot of people don't, and they still do it. Look at William Shatner, he went up into space at 90.
Speaking of which, the other comment I'm going to read, and Mom had no idea which comments I'm going to read, so this is very interesting. So that first one I saw was from Mad Hatter's Original, and this one was from Mouse is the name. Oma is headed to space in Blue Origin. So you didn't know I was going to read that one, and you just finished talking about William Shatner, and obviously Blue Origin is.
Yeah.
Oh, and we happen to both be wearing blue, so you never know. You could become the oldest person going up in space.
Yeah.
Would you do that?
Yeah. I don't know. I was just kidding.
I'm just shocked that you're not just saying emphatically no, you wouldn't do it.
Yeah, see, surprise.
Very surprised.
Yeah,
Very
you
surprised.
never know what comes out of this little old mouth,
So to order this amazing cookbook of Oma'S, I'm going to put the link below the video, and you just click on it. It takes you to the publisher's site, which is lulu.com, and you click on the book, goes into your cart, and then you click on the shipping, how you can have it like in 4 or 5 days or 14 days. So the cost will depend on the shipping type that you use, and try to keep the cost down as much as possible. It's discovered that it's not cheap to print and publish a cookbook, and but the pictures are amazing. It's like 33 recipes, 62 pages, and I think you're gonna really like it. It's a wonderful history of Oma'S life, along with all of the recipes, and something that you can have, along with the videos that we have on YouTube, and hopefully you keep watching those as well. So I hope that when you get it, that you send us your comments and what you think of it, and hope you like it.
My son put so much work and so much love and effort into this, so I hope you'll like it enough to get it.
It's pretty special. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that after almost every recipe, there are some of the comments that some of you have made on those recipes. And at the end of the book, there's actually 3 pages of comments. And that was really difficult to narrow it down to 3 pages of comments. There are literally thousands of comments. And I'm sorry that I couldn't include them all, but the book would have been 100 pages. So thank you for those who did comment, and I hope that if you did comment and you made it into the book, that you do buy it so you can see your name and your comment there. So I just wanted to thank you again for your continuing support and for watching the videos over all these years. And this is something that will live on forever, as well as this book. And long after Oma and I are not here anymore. What would you like to say to end off, Mom?
I would just love to say that all your comments just touch my heart. And some of them, my son didn't even know it, but I had many tears because I never believed that in my little old age this is going to happen. But it just came to me. It was no hard work. It was just a very, very wonderful thing to do. So thank you again with all my heart, and God bless you all.
And I know that you would love to see another cooking video of Oma, but it's probably not going to happen, right, Mom?
I don't know, son.
Another shocker.
Another shocker. I don't know. It depends how my health is holding up.
But you're doing well.
I'm doing.
You're doing really well for 94 years old.
Doing my best.
Yeah. I mean, that would be great if we did another one. So I guess you heard it here first. You never know. There might be another one, so stay tuned. But for now, please, I hope that you enjoy the cookbook for those of you that buy it. And thanks again.
One little point I would like to point out is spiral binding. It is so easy to open the book and it will stay open. And this is a point that my daughter brought to my attention. She says, "Mom, I'm so happy that it's done like that." So I hope you like that part of it too. Bye-bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you for everything.
All right, let's eat the cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amazing. Like my brother said to me, "Sister, I can't believe it. At your age, you are making that beautiful, delicious cake. I don't know how you do it, but God's will and God's help. That's what I believe." Bye-bye.